Ocean-going warships form the vanguard of any country's navy and constitute the bulwark of any maritime defense. By their size and disposition of weapons and equipment, they constitute employment and training opportunities for the bulk of the manpower in uniform. In the early 90s, the edifice of this operational environment was almost entirely based on 8 frigates and a destroyer tender ship in service with the BN on a renewable lease agreement with the US Navy. All 9 ships had to be returned on the expiry